Herbal drink relieves coughs, cleans the lungs and soothes sore throats. Ginger, lemons, turmeric. Ginger has active components that can help reduce the symptoms of colds, coughs and sore throats. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can relieve and reduce itching in the throat when coughing. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound believed to have anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties. Put all the ingredients into the blender. Add water 200 milliliters. Blender until smooth and evenly mixed. Strain until separated from the dregs. This mixture is excellent for relieving cough symptoms and soothing sore throats. Drink 2 to 3 times a week for natural treatment.